Naughty, 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 naughty. The naughty lady of Shady Lane has the town in a whirl. The naughty lady of Shady Lane, me oh my, what a girl. The naughty lady of Shady Lane has hit the town like a bomb. The back fence gossip ain't been so good since Mabel ran off with Tom. Our town was peaceful and quiet before she came on the scene. The lady has started a riot, disturbing the suburban routine. The naughty, naughty lady of Shady Lane has the town in a whirl. The naughty lady of Shady Lane, me oh my, what a girl. You should see how she carries on with her admirers galore. She must be giving them quite a thrill, the way they flock to her door. She throws those come-hither glances at every Tom, Dick, and Joe. When offered some liquid refreshment, the lady never, never says no. Yes, the naughty, naughty lady of Shady Lane has the town in a whirl. The naughty lady of Shady Lane, me oh my, what a girl. Yep. The things they're trying to pin on her won't hold much water, I'm sure. Beneath the powder and the fancy lace, there beats a heart sweet and pure. She just needs someone to change her, then she'll be nice as can be. If you're in the neighborhood, stranger, you're welcome to drop in and see. The naughty lady of Shady Lane has the town in a whirl. The naughty, naughty lady of Shady Lane, she's delectable, quite respectable. And she's only 9